Okay, so we are still on passing chord series. Okay, so we are treating this particular song, For You Are Glorious and Worthy to Be Praised. So we'll be looking at passing chord that we can add to this particular song. Okay, so if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe, so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be one of the first to get it. Okay, so we'll be in the key of F. The key of F, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, the same as the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. The song progression goes from the 4, the 5, the 3, then the 6, then the 2, then the 5, the 1, 2, 3. Alright, then basically the progression will start all over again. First of all, I want to change the voicing. Okay, you know the fa is played this way, but let's make the voicing this way. So basically I'm doing the B flat, the F and the C and the D. My thumb is hitting both. Then my right hand is playing the normal fa, okay, on the right. Alright, then we do this particular chord. Okay. So what am I playing? Basically I'm playing the 4 chord in the key of F sharp, then the 4 chord in the key of G, okay, which is also the 5th chord in the key of F. So basically after the 4 chord here, I'm approaching the 5 chord, so it'll be like this. Okay. I'm maintaining the melody here, okay? The 5th chord is over there, the 4 chord. Then you go to our normal 3, okay? Just that I'm voicing it differently, okay? The normal 3 is this, but I'm voicing it. Alright, so basically I'm doing the normal 3 here, then the right hand is doing the 3, 5, and 1. Then the 6th chord. Alright, so I have the 6 over the 1. Then we do this particular chord. Alright. I am voicing the 2 this way. So basically from here, then we come to the 2. Okay. Then we do the 5 chord. Okay, I'm doing the 5 over the 4. Then we do the 1, 2, 3. Okay, the 1, 2, 3. The first one we started, I did this. Okay, you can choose to do that, or you can change the voicing. Okay, so basically I'll be doing this. Alright, so what am I doing? I'm doing this voicing. I'm doing the F, C, A, right hand, A, D, E, then G, D, F, B, G, D, B flat, B flat, E flat, B flat, A, E, C. Right hand is doing the C, F, C. Then we do the 4 chord here, but this time we'll do this. Alright, so what is a chord? You know, I'm doing this. Or you can do this, or so B flat, F, C, D. Then I'll do the more. Alright, basically here too the same thing. Okay, so by here the chord is D, G, D, then more. Alright, so then you can come to the 5, or you can repeat the passing chord we learned. Then we come back to here. Then you can do the 2. Alright. So in context it will be like this. Okay, so basically that is it. So you are glorious and worthy to be praised. You're the Lamb upon the throne. righteousness forever.